So, you lost your key fob. Now what? Chaz, seriously, do you know where the key fob is? We gotta film this video. Losing your key fob is not fun. Not only are you locked out of your car, but you can't even start it. What's worse is if someone else found your key fob, they can. So here are some do's and don'ts of replacing your key fob. If you're 100% sure that your key fob is lost, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is deactivate it, because the last thing you want to have happen is somebody to get in your car and drive away with it if they stole it.
Head on over to our website and search for key fob deactivation in the coding section. Place your order and book a remote coding session, and we will remotely access your BMW to deactivate the old key fob that's missing.
This will block the key fob memory in the car, making it useless. To learn how to book a remote coding session for the coding, click the link in the description. Now that that's taken care of, we need to order a new one. BimmerTech offers key fob replacements for BMWs and Minis.
Head on over to our website and search for key fob and place your order. Key fobs are made to order by BMW and unique to your VIN, so orders cannot be canceled, returned, and are non-refundable. As standard, our keys do not include the internal key blade, so if you want a blade as well, or just need a spare key fob rather than a replacement, select that option when placing your order.
As a security measure, we won't fulfill your order until we can be sure that you're the owner. So after you make your payment, we're gonna need a copy of your registration and driver's license emailed to us so we can be sure that you're the owner. Chaz, it's a company car. How should I do that? The good news is you don't need to do anything. It comes pre-programmed from the factory. It's carried out by BMW technicians and basically acts like a fingerprint to your car. You do need to activate it though, so let's get to that. To activate your key fob, hold it up to the steering column to the key icon shown right here. Pull the BMW start-stop button until the no key warning light disappears. And then press the start-stop button one more time to confirm it. You'll then be prompted to name this key as a driver profile on your iDrive system. Now, if you have comfort access and you want that to work as well, let us know and we can take care of that for you with a remote coding session. There are a couple things you should not do. One of them is reprogramming a used key. Don't do that. That pretty much defeats what you're trying to do because it's going to override part of the BMW's anti-theft system. You also never want to duplicate a key fob. You can have as many spares as you want with their own unique driver profile, but duplicating one is not a smart idea because they're all supposed to be unique to the driver using it. Losing your key fob is never fun, but at least BimmerTech can get you and your BMW or Mini back in action. For more tips and tricks about BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well.